Gates by Christo and Jean-Claude, 1979 to 2005 CE. It is a temporary mixed media installation in New York City using elements of nature and the city. The Oxbow by Thomas Cole, 1836 CE, oil on canvas. It is a painting showing the new development in America. Composition with red, blue, and yellow by Mondrian, 1930 CE, oil on canvas. It is an abstract painting meant to show the underlying structure of reality. The theme of the power of nature is prevalent in both the Gates and the Oxbow. The Gates shows this through how the structures are both powerful and almost intimidating, and how these features are emulated in the wind as it strikes the fabric. In the Oxbow, one side of the painting shows the sublime, unruly, and wild nature of the earth. The split tree demonstrates how the force of nature is powerful enough to destroy a tree. The Oxbow contains nature and, along with the Gates, engages the viewer with nature. The pastoral lands of the Oxbow show a peaceful and conquered land that demonstrates man containing and trying to control nature. The Oxbow also showcases the idea of manifest destiny, that the Europeans have a divine right to the American land. This is especially seen in the Hebrew Almighty that is upside down and backwards on the hillside in God's perspective. In contrast, the Gates is meant to engage with nature, not contain it. It is just to show a different perspective, but not to destroy or hurt nature, as the deliberate placing of these structures to avoid damaging the root system shows. In the Oxbow, the artist is seen at his easel looking at the viewer and seems to invite the viewer into the painting, just as the Gates is meant for the community to experience. In contrast to the Gates and the Oxbow, Mondrian's painting, composition with red, blue, and yellow, portrays nature in a different light. This painting seems to be devoid of nature, yet it is only broken down into its purest forms of nature. After World War II, the destruction of nature and humans is prevalent, and by abstractly showing nature, Mondrian shows how people were reduced to their true nature, whether that be full of malice or humanity. The Gates avoids destroying this precious nature of life, while the Oxbow shows how nature is destructive, but so are humans.